Determine whether this given equation is a conditional, identity, or contradiction. So first, I'm going to simplify this given equation. We have like terms y and 3y. So when we add them together, we get 4y minus 12, and this equals 2y plus 4. So basically, we will consider this as the simplified equation so that we can test whether it is conditional, identity, or contradiction. So first, I'm going to see if this could be identity. If this could be identity, then it should satisfy for all the values of y. So I'm going to plug in y equal to 1 and see whether this will become an identity. So when I plug in y equal to 1, we get 4 times of 1 minus 12, and this equals 2 times of 1 plus 4. So here we get 4 minus 12, and this equals negative 8. And on the right side, we get 2 plus 4 is 6. 8 equals 6. This is not true. So we can clearly see that this does not satisfy to be an identity because it does not solve for the all the values of y. Now let's check whether this could be conditional equation. For this, I'm going to solve this equation. So I'm going to consider this equation once again. That is 4y minus 12, and this equals 2y plus 4. I will solve for y from this equation. I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides. So negative 2y and negative 2y. So these two will get cancelled. And here on this left side, I get 4y minus 2y is 2y minus 12, and this equals 4. Now let me add 12 to both sides. So this negative 12 and positive 12, they get cancelled. And on the left side, I have 2y. On the right side, 4 plus 12 is 16. So we solve for y by dividing both sides by 2. That is 16 over 2, and this equals y. So we get the value of y equals 8. Now let's test that if this satisfies this equation. So I'm going to plug in y equal to 8 into this equation. So this gives 4 times of 8 minus 12, and this equals 2 times of 8 plus 4. So 4 times 8 is 32 minus 12, and this equals 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4. 32 minus 12 is 20, and 16 plus 4 is 20. So clearly this is true. And this means this equation satisfy only for the value of y equals 8. So we can say that it is a conditional equation because it is satisfied when y equals 8. Also, it is not a contradiction because it is conditional equation.